Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to take input in C++ and how to output the result in C++. Let's see some examples. Here we're going to add two numbers and display the result. We will take two variables int a equal to 1 and another one variable b equal to 2 and another variable result. And we're going to add a and b and store the result in result variable. Now we have got the result in the or output like addition of a and b in the result variable. But to display this, we have something called cout. This helps us to output the needed output or like needed result. If we need to display something or print something, the cout will help us to print the things to the user. 3 has been printed in the terminal. Similarly, we will take the another example. Display name and age of student or person. We take string and name of person as John and int age of person equal to 20. So there are two things here and we need to display the both the things. So this is how we can display the both the things in the using only single cout, that is cout name of the person is. Here we need to add the variable name of the person, and age is age of person, and this end l in the final will end the line like if the output is written here, for example the output is 3 and this line will be left and the next output will be displayed in the upcoming like next, bottom line before bottom of the 3. That's it. See, we have not given endl here, so this cout is also printed in the same line. If we give endl here, then the further result will be printed below the line. That's it. Name of the person is John and age is 20. This is how we use cin and cout for cout for outputting the result. Now we see the how we can take the input from the user. Now we declare some variables like int a and b, and result is the another variable where we add the a and b. So we don't have any values given to the a and b. So user must give the input to the a and b. That is the user given input, and we have something called cin, which helps us to take the input. Now we need to enter the value of a first, that is we can take it as 2, and next we give the value of b. That example you can take here 4. Then when we hit enter, 2 plus 4 equal to 6. We can also write here some other things like cout, enter the value of a. Similarly we can also write it for b, and if we run it, display says enter the value of a 5, enter the value of b 0. 5 plus 0 5. This is how we take the input. Input we can take it using cin, and output we can take by, like our output we can display by using cout. And all these things are displayed in the PPT, and the PPT link will be given in the description itself. You can check them. In the code, as at starting, we included IOStream file, IOStream header file here. We have included IOStream header file. So IOStream stands for standard input and output stream. This header file contains definitions of objects like cin, cout, etc. Like if we didn't include this header file, then there will be some errors. See, cout was not declared. Those things. Cin was not declared. So that's the way, like here in this header file IOStream, this definition of cin, what is cin, what is cout, everything will be predefined. So this is the main thing which contains the definitions of cin and cout. So we can use cin and cout in the our programs by only including this header file. Cin helps to take the input and cout helps to display the output. And here's the another example. Here we have declared the student string student name, int student age, and float student percentage, and then we take the input of the student name and the input of student is and input of the student percentage, and everything will be displayed. Here is the example of it. And this code will also be in the description itself. You can check it once. Here we have done the add operation, like output declared the two variables a and b, and the result equal to a plus b, and output the things using cout. And here we have taken the name of the person as Raju and this age, and output the things. And here we have declared the three things, that the student's name, student's age, and student's percentage. Percentage is taken in float. And similarly we have taken the input, student's name, student's age, and student percentage, and have displayed the things. Here we have got the enter student name. We can enter any name, like I enter A B C D as student name, and his age is 10, and his percentage is something like 88.9. Now we will get the name of the student is ABCD, and age 10, and percentage 88.9. And this is how we take the input and give the output, or obtain the output in C++ using cin and cout. Thank you.